Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by launching the emulator and loading PubG Mobile. This gives you keyboard input compatibility. Once done, open the in-app controls or key mapping editor so you can create bindings. You need basic keys first: movement W/A/S/D, jump, crouch, prone, and fire. Make these bindings now because they form the control backbone. Without them, aiming and navigation feel awkward. Also make sure your emulator has focus, and the game runs at a steady 60 FPS for consistent input response. Now build the detailed layout. Bind mouse look to the cursor and set right-click for ADS so you can aim fluidly. Next, map weapons switch, reload, and inventory to convenient keys like 1/2/3 and tab. This reduces fumbling in fights. Use shift layers or modifier keys for crouch walk or sprint combos to avoid key clutter. Once configured, test in training mode and tweak sensitivity. Lower mouse sensitivity improves long-range control, while higher helps quick turns. Finish by saving your key map as a profile and running several practice matches to lock muscle memory. This confirms your mappings under pressure. Make sure to adjust mouse DPI and in-game sensitivity to match turning speed and recoil control, and save different profiles for close quarters versus sniping. If something goes wrong, verify virtualization, update GPU/USB drivers, and look for hotkey conflicts. Reassign or remove overlapping keys, and retest immediately so you don't enter live matches with surprises.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.